Hello, my name is Jenny, and I want to thank you for visiting our website, wholesalereport.com. You're probably wondering what is it and how it can help you. Let me tell you all about it. Simply put, it allows you to look up ASIN codes by UPC codes, but it is so much more than that. It all starts with UPC codes. You can choose to input a specific code or multiple codes at the same time. You can also copy and paste text, and we will detect UPC code from there. Let me show you how that works. I'm going to go ahead and paste some text. As I scroll up, you'll notice that it is an email that includes some text, numbers, and you'll also notice that there are some UPC codes that are embedded in that email. So what I will do is hit search. You will look at that email, detect the UPC codes, and then display all of the product information here right below. But for our purposes today, I want to keep it simple and just use the UPC code. So what I will do, select this information here, delete it, and just enter a code. Hit search. I also want to point out that our search is exact. As I include a UPC code, it gives me specific results, as opposed to Amazon. So if I go to Amazon, include that same code, what you will notice is it gives me quite a bit of results here that I will have to parse through and find exactly what I need. So wholesalereport.com really eliminates any guesses, any research. It does all of the research here for you, providing you with exact information that you need. Now, once you do the UPC code search right here, it will display the information on the product itself. So this is all quite vital information that you might need to make very important decisions. So the information that you could see here is just overall information on the product itself, some prices and fees, offers, pricing summaries, dimensions, categories and ranks. So all of this here is based on the research that it does on the back end so that you don't have to. So what it does here for you is saves your time, does the research for you, and displays all of the information in a very easy to follow way. So in summary, Wholesale Report makes the process really quick and easy, allowing you to focus on more important tasks like growing your business. So you no longer have to research the product, look up the products, spend the time researching it on Amazon as well. It displays all of that data here for you at the tip of your fingers. Having said that, if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us. Otherwise, I thank you for your time today and attention and wish you a great rest of your day.